Hello, beautiful people. How are all of you doing today? I hope you all are doing fine and enjoying yourself. I have noticed that there are people who are in the age of 20 years right now, and I mean, this must be happening from quite some time. It's just that I'm a coach, and it's come to my notice in a very big way. There are people who are 20 years old and they are having antidepressants and sleeping pills at this age, which is a big thing right now. And if you are someone who's doing that, there are coaches. Please go and talk to them, find the right person. That is very, very important. I have seen people spend money in unnecessary places where they may not get results, and that doesn't work. Find a right person who can guide you, who can take you through the right path. That is very, very important. So please be conscious, please be aware of what's happening in the society and care for people, be empathetic to them. However, if you are someone who's going through something, then please find the right person. Make the effort to search for the right coach and get in touch with them so that they can give you your life back. And it is really not acceptable to have sleeping pills and antidepressants at the age of 20, 18. And why? Because of the stress of exams. um, I know there's a huge generation gap between where I am today and where you are, as an 18-year-old or a 20-year-old. And I know you're going through a lot, or there's a huge, you have had your own stresses to take care of, which I understand and I accept. But there are ways to resolve it. Know that there are ways where you can go and find a solution. Don't just underestimate yourself by your incapabilities and go to these neurological, I mean, even if they can help you, just make sure they're the right people who are not just giving you sleeping pills and making you sleep all day and are not able to give you a solution. Also identify and talk to your parents about it, because it's not right to just keep it to yourself, irrespective of how your parents feel about it, or they are ready to give you the strength for it, or what they are, what they tell you. I know parents they may have not gone through a coaching process themselves, so they may not have a solution for you at that point of time. But it's very important to talk to somebody. So if you are a 20-year-old and if you are going through anything, please make sure you talk to somebody. Please, I'm requesting you and leaving this video today with a painful heart to see that India's youth is doing this, and they are going through a lot of stress and pain, emotional pain, darkness. These are the words which I hear from them. Even we have gone through that at that time, but then it doesn't mean that you take antidepressants or sleeping pills or you know do anything wrong to yourself. So it's very important to find the right person and talk to them who can give you back your life. Okay, take care, all the best.